Good day. Our topic today is asymptotes of rational functions. In this lesson, you will learn to present rational functions through table of values, graphs, and equations. And also, you will learn how to determine the vertical, horizontal, and slant asymptotes of rational functions. And here is the outline of our lesson. 1. The definition of asymptote. 2. Illustrating the vertical and horizontal asymptotes through table of values and graphs of the basic rational function f of x equals 1 over x. The third is determining the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of rational functions. And the last will be to determine the slant asymptote. Okay, I'm planning to divide our lesson in 3 or 4 videos. The first video is this one, including the definition of asymptote, and number 2, illustrating the vertical and horizontal asymptotes using the basic rational function f of x equals 1 over x, and the second will be the video on how to solve vertical and horizontal asymptotes of rational functions, and the fourth will be how to determine the slant asymptote. Okay, so let's first have the definition of asymptote. Ano ba yung asymptote? An asymptote is a line that the graph of a function approaches but it will never intersect or touch it. So, ibig sabihin, this is a line to which the curve of a function approaches something like infinity or at certain points of discontinuity. Ibig sabihin, if we're going to draw the graph of a rational function, the graph of rational function will not intersect or will not pass through this asymptote. Okay? So, hindi siya dadaan doon. Napaka-halaga rin nitong asymptote na to because this is very useful. Useful guides ito in completing the graph of a rational function. Okay? If you still remember the movie Lord of the Rings, Gandalf said to Balrog, "You shall not pass." Okay? So, parang ganun din yung ating asymptote. Hindi pwedeng tumama o dumaan yung graph of rational function dun sa asymptote. Okay? Ano pa yung iba't ibang uri ng asymptotes? We have the horizontal asymptote, we have the vertical asymptote, and the slant asymptote. Okay? Anong equivalent graph of these 3 types of asymptotes? For the horizontal asymptote, ito yung dash line natin, yung green line. Green dash line. Okay? At pag sinabi natin horizontal asymptote, hindi pwedeng dumaan doon yung ating graph ng rational function. Okay? Same as the vertical asymptote. Okay? This red dash line, ito yung vertical line na to, it corresponds actually to the zeros of the denominator of a rational function. If you still remember, in getting the restriction about the denominator, the restriction of x in the denominator of the rational function, that restriction of x is actually the vertical asymptotes. Okay? And as you can see, yung ating vertical asymptote will intersect the x-axis, while the horizontal asymptote will intersect the y-axis. Okay? And we have the slant asymptote. Tinatawag din tong oblique asymptote. Okay? This red line is the representation of our slant asymptote. And as you can see, the graph of the function, this one, the blue lines, the blue curve, okay? Hindi tumama doon yung sa slant asymptote, yung graph of our rational function. But take note of this, common mistake of the student is, common mistake the students make is to think that the graph cannot cross slant or horizontal asymptote. Actually, pwedeng dumaan yung ating graph ng rational function sa slant or horizontal asymptote. Okay? Ang hindi lang talagang pwedeng daanan ng graph ng rational function is the vertical asymptote. Okay? It says this is not the case. A graph can cross slant and horizontal asymptotes, sometimes more than once. It's those vertical asymptotes, craters that a graph cannot cross. So, okay. So, pwedeng dumaan actually yung yung graph ng rational function sa slant or horizontal asymptotes except dun sa ating vertical asymptote. Okay? So, the next will be is the illustration of the horizontal and vertical asymptotes on the rational function f of x equals 1 over x. So, thank you.